Guys, today we talk about how can you add address on your Walmart app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You will find here address, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here add address, click on add. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You will fill here all your address, add your first name and your last name and street address, app switch, and here your city and state, then zip code, then your phone number, and here if you want to add delivery instruction here, click here on. If you want to enable or disable set as my preferred address, you click on save, then it's going to save with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.